Greetings. This is Kevin Gregg from Mississippi in the United States of America. You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. You guys heard the song Pangako Mo. Music coming from Miss Joyce Espinoza. And that song brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Check out the Friday Double the Points promo. Every Friday, of course, whatever you purchase at the fresh section, the dairies and the breads. Okay? Only at Royal Duty Free. ×2 on Royal Privilege cards every Friday, Fresh Fridays. All right, visit their social media pages for more inquiries, for more details about the latest ongoing sales, and the official website, of course, where the catalog is always posted, www.royalsubic.com. Okay, and welcome back to the Morning Brew Radio Show. You're still with me, DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. All right, and yung mga nanonood sa atin on the live video, baka probably nagulat, biglang may bumulaga na magandang dilag sa ating live video. Ayan. Here's the cool thing about the song we just played. Nandito live yung kumanta mismo. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you. Actually, not her first time on the Morning Brew Show, but yeah, we will go further on that mamaya. Introduce ko muna ang napakagaling na songer talaga, no? She is a singer and recording artist, ABS-CBN's Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 7 Daily Winner, and GMA7's Tanghalan ng Kampiyon contender, live here on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio, The Morning Brew Show, Miss Joyce Espinoza!
Good morning to our listeners and watchers. Good morning po, DJ Tom. I'm glad to be acquainted with you again after 6 years.
Definitely.
After 6 years.
Pleasure's ours. Yeah. Pleasure's ours. Glad to have you here. Ayan. So,
I'm glad to be back.
Yeah, medyo matagal na yun yung sinabi mong yun.
6
So,
years po.
Marami tayong pag-uusapan.
I was only 10 years old.
Yeah. Wag mo na i-remind yung listeners na 10 years old ka lang noon. Nabubuking yung edad ko. Pero yeah, I'm just kidding there. Pero yeah, since you said 6 years, ayan, aalamin natin ngayon. During those times na 6 years, ang dami natin pwedeng pagkwentuhan, ano?
True.
Yung naging journey mo, ano na nangyari,
Sobrang dami pong nangyari in a span of 6 years.
Yeah. Pero umpisahan muna natin with this song since we just played it. The song is called Pangako Mo.
Yes po.
Ayan. You composed the song?
No, I only interpreted the song po.
Okay.
And yung composer nung song is my manager po, si Sir John Ray Malto na nasa Quezon City ngayon.
Sir John Ray?
Yes.
The name sounds familiar. Well,
Yes,
he handles talents and yeah. Okay,
Very well-known talent manager po siya sa Manila. And yung arranger po ng song is my vocal coach, si Coach Adonis Arcelia. And thank you very much. I would like to express my gratitude din sa On Cue Studios because dun po ni-record yung song and they're very accommodating and talaga magaling po talaga sila sa music and ginaid din po nila ako kung paano ma-interpret ng song ng mas maayos and mas gama yung feelings kasi po I feel like that's the objective of music is to be able to communicate through singing and your song and the lyrics of the song.
It's people who are listening to it are supposed to feel something,
yes,
diba?
Yes.
Yeah,
you're supposed to build a connection and relationship with your audience kapag kumakanta.
And other than that, ang ganda talaga ng song ha. I listen not because kaharap kita. I listened to it the first time I had a copy, pinakinggan ko kagad. Sabi ko ang ganda ng Pangako Mo. Ayan.
Yeah, a lot of people are telling me nga po na bagay siya pang teleserye.
Yeah, exactly.
Mga theme song ng movie, ganyan. So,
and you did a good job.
Huwag may director dyan. Pwede mo maging theme song yung kanta ko.
Contact Joyce and the rest of the group. You did a good job interpreting the song. Ang galing, ang ganda-ganda.
Thank you.
Okay, speaking of that, ang galing, ang ganda ng pagkakakanta. You've been singing for how many years now?
I started singing po professionally 12 or 11 kasi po I started singing when I was only 3 years old.
Only 3 years old already singing.
I started competing at the age of 5. So after po nung mga first mga first competitions ko po, sinali ako ng mom ko sa mga local vocal lessons here sa Olongapo lang din naman po. And parang doon na po nagtuloy-tuloy na I started competing with a bunch of competitions here sa Olongapo lang. Start po ako dito sa atin. Then, actually, I'm much more of a pageant kid po talaga nun. Kaya po na-interview niya ako because that year, 2017, I won a prestigious beauty pageant for kids sa Bulgaria, Europe po.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I remember that.
Nag-courtesy call po kami here sa radio station niya and
na-invite
niyo po kami together with Miss DJ Birch.
Si DJ Birch na napaka-talented din.
Same time din, same time slot din, Morning Brew din. And dun po tayo first nag-meet.
Yeah, actually, it's the same program talaga. Ito rin yun,
Tapos po, syempre sa pageant may mga talent portions din. So, I used to sing and dance sa talent portions. And sa national competition kasi sa pageant, parang nag-grow po ako as a performer. Kasi all-rounder po talaga pagdating sa pageant.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Then sa international po, may singing competition din po dun sa Bulgaria, Europe. Same sila nung same organization lang din po yung
nag-organize and
nanalo po ko din ng vocal gold medal sa Bulgaria, Europe din po. And nag-standing ovation pa yung mga tao doon. I was so beyond
I'm getting goosebumps picturing what you're saying and diba, a Filipina who stood out.
Then, after po nun, parang nagtuloy-tuloy lang po ko ng practice, consistent practice lang po para hindi makalimutan yung mga natututunan. And pag uwi ko po ng Philippines, binigyan po ako ng award ng City of Olongapo, Resolution Award dahil po
for the achievement.
Yes, for the achievement and the title kasi nauwi ko po yung crown. And parang doon na po nag-start yung mga exposures and mas dinagdagan ko pa po yung mga experience. And doon po talaga ako na-hone as a singer and a performer.
That's one thing na nakakatuwa naman sa City of Olongapo. Talagang they give recognition where recognition is due. Hindi sila lumalagpas sa mga hindi nakakalampas, yung mga achievers na taga rito sa lugar natin, ano. I'm curious. I want to know, yung sabi mo you presented a talent, a song and dance dun sa beauty pageant competition. I want to know, anong kinanta mo ron at anong sinayaw mo? Song and dance, no?
Alam mo,
is it okay?
Yung kinanta ko po is yung Hush Hush ng Pussycat Dolls
na
remix ng I Will Survive.
So song and dance na siya.
Yes, song and dance po talaga. Kasi pag talent portion po sa pageant, dapat kakaiba, unique po So you will stand out amongst other candidates. Yung parang matatandaan ka talaga ng judges.
Yeah, definitely.
Plus points po talaga if very unique yung talent.
It's just all you. Did you have backup dancers?
No,
Wala
it's all
naman.
me po.
All you, Oh, yeah.
Restricted
so
ang backup dancers sa talent version.
I didn't knew that. I haven't joined one yet. Pero Pussycat Dolls, Hush Hush. Ooh, nice. All right, nag-ala Nicole Scherzinger. Okay. Tapos yung sa singing competition naman, ano yung naging entry mo doon?
Dalawa po siya Isa pong kay Whitney Houston.
Whitney Houston song.
I forgot. I have nothing. Yeah. Tapos yung another song po is from Jennifer Hudson.
Si Jennifer Hudson.
And I Am Telling You.
I'm Telling You. Ooh, wow. Wow, really?
Mga pamatay.
Yun yung pang last mo, yung
yes,
I am Mario Josep. Napapa Mario Josep na.
Ang taas.
Pero one of these days siguro ma-witness natin na i-perform mo yan ng live in a show somewhere.
Definitely
siguro.
Definitely.
Okay.
It's my chance.
Yeah, sige po. Yeah. Well, we have events that happens here from time to time. I'll give people
a
call and
that was the last time I saw you, DJ Tommy. Yung Bancheto.
Sa Bancheto, yeah.
I was invited as a guest performer na nung opening day.
I remember.
Bancheto, nag-host po kayo doon.
Yeah. You said you started singing at the age of 3, as far as you can recall,
Yes.
Maalala kaya ni Mami kung nung pinanganak ka, may tono ba yung uha? One of the signs the singer yung pinanganak, di ba? May tono yung uha.
Actually, my parents, they're the one who discovered na I have a talent for singing po. Kasi kapag kids, minsan iniiwan natin sila para manood ng cartoons and TV. Tapos yung mga theme song po dun sa cartoons, sinasabayan ko daw, ko raw po. Tapos sabi nila, ay may nasa taon na tong batang to kumanta.
Yeah.
Kasi most kids po
Well, those
that
are-
age, parang trip-trip lang nilang sabayan. Kumbaga, sumasaliwa yung tono as a
Yeah.
child. Pero sa akin po sabi nila, nasa tono tong batang to.
That's how parents are.
Yeah.
Sila na rin yung who happens to be your very first fans.
Yes.
Maging ganun yun.
Sila po talaga yung nag-push
Oh, yeah.
sa akin. Tapos, my first competition po, alam niyo yung mga school competition nun. So, I was in preschool, kindergarten. Then, sinali po ako nung preschool teacher ko sa Buwan ng Wika Singing Contest. And that's where I started my first singing competition po.
Ayun. So, there you go. And then, speaking of singing competition, eto na tayo, yung mga naging major
Major.
accomplishments and ano mo sa singing, no? You joined, nauna ba yung sa ABS-CBN or yung
Opo,
sa
yes.
GMA?
Tawag ng Tanghalan sa It's Showtime
Yeah.
was my very first national TV singing competition po talaga. And
Season
it was-
7, ano? Yeah.
Yeah,
What
so
year was
very
this?
recent. Last year po.
Last year lang.
2023.
Okay.
Very recent.
Last year lang pala yung sa ABS-CBN.
Yes,
Okay. So how was the experience? Would you like to tell us a little bit
Oh
of something
my
about the
God.
experience?
It
Was it really
a roller
nerve-wracking?
coaster of a ride, DJ Tom. Siyempre, I was considered as the youngest contender kasi yung minimum age requirement sa tawag ng Tanghalan is 16 years old. So,
And you were 16 when you joined?
I was 16 at that time. Kaka-16 ko lang po at that time. And during the auditions, ako po talaga yung pinakabata kasi some people who are with me in the auditions is twice my age. So, twice or even thrice my age. So,
They didn't pick on you naman.
no naman po.
Go home, little girl!
No. They're very friendly naman po.
Yeah.
And syempre, galing sila sa iba't ibang lugar in Metro Manila. So, they were very welcoming and friendly. So, technically, I was the youngest auditionee there. And my heart is pounding really talaga. Kulang na lang lumabas yung puso ko sa katawan ko sa sobrang nervous. And I think there are at least 100 of us sa audition
Oh.
ko. And ang natira na lang 4. And napasama po ako dun sa 4
Sa 4
na
na
natira.
natira. Wow.
I was so very grateful and thankful kay Lord kasi grabe, 3 audition levels po yung kailangan ipasa and out of 100 people inside the room, napasama ko sa 4
Wow.
na nakapasa sa first level of audition. They're really picky talaga sa ABS. So parang kailangan nilang piliin yung the best of the best singers.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, okay. Tapos, did they found out you're from Olongapo City? Nalaman ba nila na this
Yes po,
this
kasi
young
sa
woman is from Olongapo City?
Application form, ilalagay mo kung saan ka nakatira.
Among your competitors, narinig nila that you're from Olongapo City?
Yes po,
May
kasi-
naging reaction ba silang kakaiba when they found out you're from Olongapo City?
During sa pila po, syempre nagtatanong kung taga-san ka, anong edad mo, what's your name, the basic information about yourself. Kapag sinasabi ko po na taga Zambales o Olongapo, sabi nila, ha, ang layo. At lagi po nilang tinatanong kung anong oras daw po kami umalis sa biyahe. So,
Yeah.
ayun po. So, bago ka po mag-start kumanta, you need to introduce yourself. So, yun.
Yeah.
I stated my name, my age, and where I'm from. And wala namang violent reaction. So,
The reason I asked that is kasi tayo dito sa Olongapo, alam mo pag some of the reactions coming from yung mga friends natin, we've been in the
very
industry
amazed
long.
talaga.
Parang may extra factor pag narinig, ay, you're from Olongapo.
Kasi
You know
po, ang
why?
daming magagaling na singers.
There you go.
here.
You should be proud you're from here dahil
Yes.
ang music roots natin dito, it runs deep.
Oh,
Ito, lagi
grabe.
kong
Ang dami na rin sumikat na Olongapo.
Lagi kong pinagmamalaki whenever I do hosting jobs here and from far places, kahit sa Manila,
Olongapo,
as far
no?
as, kinikwento ko yung ating proud music roots.
Yes.
Our music roots runs really deep. Kasi, you know, this used to be the home of the US Navy.
Yes.
Navy, dito umusbong yung mga yung career parang naging training ground to ng mga naging rock legends
Yes.
ng Pilipinas. Si Sampaguita, some of them hindi naman taga rito, pero dito sila nag-career talaga. Nag-umpisa sila yung mga bandista kasi in demand ang mga band noon when this was the home of the US Navy, 60s, 70s, ganyan.
Oh, way long back.
Hindi pa tayo buhay
I
noon.
wasn't even alive.
Pareho tayo, hindi pa. Ayun. So, kaya dito nahasa talaga sila ng gusto, like si Paul Sapiera o Rockstar, yung the biggest name among them all naman dito rin umusbong yung career, si Kuya Arnel Pineda ng Journey Band.
Yes.
Yeah, when I was in high school, I had this fake ID so I could go in every Saturday night para to watch him, just to watch him.
Mga gigs po.
Yeah, Cal Jam, dyan siya regular noon with the Amo Band. Ang galing talaga. Yeah.
I think up until now po, sikat pa rin naman yung mga nagbabanda.
Yeah, opo.
There are a lot of
maraming sumikat na
rising
naging
bands
training ground here. Like Maria Cafra, they're from here. Yung mga sumikat na band na 70s and 80s yan. Yun lang, na-share ko lang na you should be proud of your
Yes,
music
I am
roots.
very proud
It's
talaga.
deeply rooted talaga. Malalim yung pinaghuhugutan. Ayan. So going back to your ABS-CBN experience, after that, you also joined GMA's Tanghalan ng Kampiyon.
Yes,
Ayan.
sa TikTok Clock po.
Mm.
Another
So how was the experience then? Yeah,
singing
yeah.
competition from GMA.
Okay.
It was very nerve-wracking din po talaga kasi when you're in TV po, ang lawak nung reach nung television so
Nationwide, yeah.
international pa po.
International
So,
pa, yeah.
talagang maraming taong makakapanood sa'yo. I was very grateful na nakapunta ako or nakatungtong ako sa stage rather na may malawak na audience because I get to share my music and my performance with a lot of people and which I really enjoyed. But at the same time, I was really nervous because ganun din po, pinakabata pa rin.
Yeah.
Pinakabata pa rin po ako doon sa singing competition na yun.
Okay.
So,
pero do they allow lower than 16 or 16 na rin talaga
16
yung
po talaga
cut
yung
off, yeah.
na
youngest
minimum age
okay.
requirement.
Mm.
Yun. So,
alright.
doon po, mas mahirap yung sa tanghalan ng kampiyon po sa GMA because for 5 levels of audition po yung kailangang ipasa. And luckily, by the help of God, nakalusot po ako sa 5 yun.
And your talent, of course.
Yes, with my talent. And na-air po yung episode ko last March 27 po.
Okay. So, etong latest
This year lang po.
Etong latest journey mo, the GMA 7 sa Tanghalan ng Kampiyon. So, what's gonna be next for you? Are you working on something? Perhaps a new song? Or do you have regular gigs? Or what?
For now po, siguro I'll enjoy my summer with gigs and guestings.
Enjoy. Tama, enjoy.
Senior high school has really been hard for me, really. I was so super culture shocked from moving to junior high to senior high school. But
grabe, no?
I think I'll take a rest and do some gigs and guestings. Kasi po, hindi naman regular, pero lagi po akong nasa Manila kasi nandun yung manager ko. Doon niya po ako binubook ng mga
Binubook ka sa shows,
guestings
yeah.
and shows and
nice.
like gigs. Kung saan ako pwedeng kumanta.
Yeah.
And yeah, maybe po, pag may pa-audition din sa TV, I'll try again. Yes.
Of course.
Siyempre, seize the opportunity kasi minsan lang yan.
Yeah, keep trying. Sabi nga, do not give up at just after ng isang naranasan mo na hanggang doon na lang. Keep trying, keep going.
Pero I
keep
really
moving
enjoyed
forward.
singing.
Yeah. And enjoy it.
Singing in front of the TV
While
po
doing
talaga
so.
kahit kinakabahan kasi
Yeah.
kasi singing in front of the TV with a wide reach, talagang it's a very big accomplishment and achievement kasi maraming taong makakapanood sa'yo and I like sharing my music with different people kasi I really enjoyed performing po, especially kapag nararamdaman ko na may connection ako between the audience.
And being at that scenario, it means you're going somewhere, di ba? If you're constantly at that kind of scenario. Ayan. So for shows, eto na. Speaking of which, syempre kasi minsan may mga events dito, may mga national and international events na ginaganap dito. So for shows, how can they reach you? Do they have to go through the manager or
Yes,
pwede na rin,
Pero you can contact me directly po through my Facebook page, Joyce Espinoza.
There you go.
Yan. So if
Just look
may
it up on
bookings,
Facebook.
Yes, just look me up on Facebook. Pag may bookings kayo for events, just
Yeah. The Joyce
Reach
spells Joyce.
Yes,
Ayan.
Joyce. So,
Meron kasing
it came
Joyce, di ba?
It came from the word rejoice po kasi.
Yun, there you go. Rejoice.
So Joyce Espinoza with the letter Z.
There you go. Okay, so for events, bookings, so perhaps weddings, no? You can be the
Birthdays.
wedding singer then, birthdays. Ayan.
Even funerals.
Celebration of life, why not? I do that sometimes.
Yeah, no,
Kasi
para may
nagbibideo
racket lang
master
po
din ako minsan yung side rackets ko minsan. Even funerals, celebration of
Basta
life.
makapag-perform. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Guys.
Ayan, so there you go. Okay, so eto naman, last question ko perhaps. Kung wala ka nang need to promote. Well, anyways, you have the entire time mamaya to promote. My last question would be para sa mga sa mga kagaya mo na gusto ring to make it big, maybe someday kagaya mo rin na ikaw nandun ka na sa journey eh. Yung iba nagsisimula pa lang. You're in the journey already. Ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
Ang palagi ko pong naririnig noon when I was just starting this career journey, wag kang susuko. Pero
yeah, definitely.
it's really uncertain kasi minsan napapagod tayo, and sometimes there are circumstances na kailangan nating mag-rest and hindi naman entirely sumuko, pero rest.
Yeah, you can rest.
Yeah, but
that doesn't necessarily mean you're quitting, di ba?
But I
Everybody
think
can rest.
kasi may mga times na nafe-feel po natin na gusto ko na mag-give up. Pwede bang stop muna, pahinga muna ako.
The word is rest lang.
But the advice that I can give to my fellow performers and aspiring singers, kasi ako din naman wala pa ako sa mainstream. So I'm just getting there, and I'm sure you guys too. And ang lagi ko lang masasabi is to always believe in yourself. Kasi sa industry natin, there are a lot of critics talaga. And sometimes their words get through us. And minsan nakaka-influence din po yun sa atin as a person and as a performer. Minsan nakaka-down siya ng feelings. Yan, you get sad. But you never let it get through your head. Kasi you don't listen to what others may say negatively to your craft and to your music or even to your performance. Kasi you know to yourself naman what you can do and your capabilities. And don't let others limit you.
Yeah. All right. Wow. Beautiful. Very well said. Another additional, if I may add to that, enjoy the journey.
Yes.
Enjoy. Have fun. Have as much fun.
Every bit of it.
Why? Here's an example. This band from Seattle, they're called Pearl Jam. When they were starting, they start playing in a barn lang. May mga nag-invite sila ng mga kapitbahay. Sometimes 7 people would show up to watch their show na live libre sa barn. What they did is they just smile. They just laugh, enjoy doing it. Tapos tuloy-tuloy. Tapos there are critics along the way. Still, they do it and they have fun. Nasaan sila ngayon? Di ba? Layo na narating ng Pearl Jam. They become one of the best alternative bands of all time.
Wow.
Pearl Jam. So, yun ang sabi nila. They, all throughout, kung hindi raw sila nag-enjoy, tawa ng tawa, baka hindi sila nakarating ng ganun. Ano man yung dumating, ano man daw yung binabato sa kanila, tawa lang sila ng tawa. They just enjoy the show.
Enjoy lang
may
talaga.
nag-criticize, give them a good show and have fun doing it. Yun. Have fun. Enjoy it. Yan. The journey.
Pag may
that
nag-criticize
can be,
po talaga, it's either we let it get through us or we learn from
Tawanan
it
mo lang.
to improve
Tawanan
and
mo
get
lang.
better. Yeah, tawanan mo lang yung mga haters and bashers mo talaga.
Yes. That won't stop your dream. Hindi yun ang mag-stop ng
hindi sila
dream mo.
hadlang.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, this has been a very beautiful interview. Anything else you want to tell our listeners before we wrap things up, before I press play on the next requested song?
Yes. Again, guys, I am Joyce Espinoza, and kung gusto niyo po akong mapanood and get to know me more, just visit my Facebook page, Joyce Espinoza, my YouTube channel, Joyce Espinoza, my Instagram, Joyce Espinoza, and on TikTok, I'm also on TikTok.
Yeah.
Kumakanta-kanta
She's
din po
everywhere.
ako. I'm everywhere in social media. My TikTok is Ray Joyce. Ayan, so from the word rejoice.
How does it spell?
And
Ray? R-E?
R-E-I-J-O-I.
R-E-I. Tapos J-O. Okay.
J-O-I.
Ray Joyce. Okay.
And guys, I also accept song requests na ina-upload ko sa social
nice.
media. And lagi po ako nag-updates ng mga ganaps and happenings ko in my life sa Facebook page ko. And if you wanna be my friend, just visit my Facebook page. Yan.
And of
We can
course,
all be friends, guys.
and of course, don't forget the latest single. It's called
Yes,
Pangako Mo.
Soon on digital
Ayan.
streaming
Alright.
platforms. fans.
Yung song na yan, actually, I can envision it na gustong-gusto na siya ng mga yung mga naniningil ng utang. Pangako mo!
And of course, I would like to take this opportunity to thank and express my gratitude to 89.5
pleasure
Subic
is
Bay
ours.
Radio. Lagi pong, ito yung radyo ko, pag radyo namin ni Papa, pag hinahatid niya po ako sa school.
Oh, stop it!
Yes! We always
Stop
listen to the songs that are playing here. Pag papunta ko ng school tuwing umaga, like 6:45 in the morning, ganyan mga time kami maalis.
Pakiramdam ko tuloy, nagkukulang ako ng pagbati sa inyo nila bossing tsaka ni Madam eh.
Ayan, and of course, nice ko pong pasalamatan ang mga fans and supporters ko who stood by me along the way in my journey and palagi kong kasama sa paglalakbay nito sa music industry. And my manager, of course, thank you so much, Sir John, and my proud parents na kasama ko ngayon, and my family na nakikinig ngayon sa bahay, and sa mga future supporters ko, sa mga makakakilala sa akin soon. Let's embark on this journey together. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you for having you here. Thank you for giving us a little bit of your time.
Thank you.
Looking forward to the first album to be released.
Wow.
Looking
Very
forward.
soon.
Really looking forward to that. Yeah. All right. There you go, people. A very promising singer, our fellow Olonga Peña. Joyce Espinosa. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, guys. Bye.
All right, here's our next requested song, music coming from Hailstorm. Their version of the song, All I Want to Do Is Make Love to You, the Heart original hit, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.